In this video, I will discuss 10 most important questions with answers which you must prepare before going to an interview. So before I start, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. And if you find this video helpful, then like the video, share the video and let me know the valuable comments in the comment section. Now, let's get started. So the first question, what is the difference between a load bearing wall and a partition wall? Load bearing wall is a type of wall that supports the weight of a structure above it, such as roof, floor, another wall or self-weight, etc. These walls are thick and hence occupy more floor area. So bricks, concrete blocks or stones are used for the construction of load bearing wall. As the material required is more, the construction cost is also more. So for load bearing wall, more materials are required, so construction cost is more for load bearing wall. Next, what is partition wall? Partition wall is a type of wall that divides the space within a building, but it does not carry any load. It carries only self-weight. These walls are thin and hence occupy less floor area. This is partition wall. As the material required is less, the construction cost is also less. Stones are not used for the construction of partition walls. Next question, what is the purpose of a plinth beam in a building? A plinth beam is a type of beam that is provided at the plinth level of a building, which is the junction of a foundation and the wall. The purpose of a plinth beam is to distribute the load of the wall uniformly over the foundation to prevent differential settlement and to provide level surface for the construction of the wall. Next, what is the difference between truss and frame? A truss is a type of structure that consists of triangular units connected by pin joints. A frame is a type of structure that consists of linear members connected by rigid joints. Trusses are usually used for roofs, bridges, towers, while frames are usually used for buildings, bridges and machines. So this is the difference between truss and frame. Next question, what is the purpose of a slum test in concrete? A slum test is a method of measuring the workability of or consistency of fresh concrete. It is performed by filling a cone-shaped mold with concrete and then removing it. The height of the concrete is measured after it settles or slumps. The difference between the original height and the final height is called slump value. The higher slump value indicates a more fluid concrete, while a lower slump value indicates a stiffer concrete. So, hope you understand what is the purpose of slump test in concrete. Next, what are the properties of concrete and steel that make them suitable for civil engineering applications? So these are very important questions which are mostly asked in interviews. So before going to any interview, you must prepare these questions. So concrete. Concrete is a composite material made of cement, sand and aggregate and water. Cement, sand, aggregate and water. It has high compressive strength, durability, fire resistance and moldability. It can be cast into various shapes and sizes. It can be reinforced with steel bars or fibers to improve its tensile strength and ductility. This is concrete. Now what is steel? Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon with small amounts of other elements. It has high tensile strength, ductility, toughness and weldability. It can be fabricated into various sections and shapes and can be joined by welding, bolting or riveting. It also has good corrosion resistance and recyclability. Okay, this is steel. Next, what is dead load and live load? This is a very important question, mostly asked. What is dead load and what is live load? Dead load. This is the load due to the self-weight of the structure and its permanent components such as beams, columns, walls and floors. Live load. This is the load due to the occupancy and use of the structure such as people, furniture, vehicles and equipments. So, live load is the load due to the occupancy and use of the structure. Next, what is the purpose of site plan? A site plan is a scaled drawing that shows the existing conditions and proposed improvements of a site. It is like a map that shows how a piece of land looks now and how it's going to change. It includes details about buildings, landscaping, parking, utilities and drainage. People use site plans to design, get permits and construction purposes. It helps everyone involved understand and plan for what's going to happen on the property. This is the site plan. It is also a very important question. What is the purpose of site plan? Describe the difference between one-way and two-way slabs. First, one-way slab. One-way slabs are supported on two opposite sides, mainly spanning in one direction, while two-way slabs are supported on all four sides and distribute loads in both directions. Next question, what is the purpose of retaining wall? This is also very important. Retaining walls are built to resist the lateral pressure of soil when there is a change in ground elevation. They prevent soil erosion and provide support for slopes. This is retaining wall. Next, what are the key components of a reinforced concrete structure? The key component includes concrete reinforcement, usually steel bars, formwork and the design that ensures these elements work together to withstand loads and provide structural integrity. So, these are the 10 questions which are mostly asked in interviews. So, before going to any government exams or private interviews, you must prepare these questions. I have already provided many MCQ questions with answers. So, go through them. All the links are given in the description box. So, I hope you like this video. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share the video. And if you have any query, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.